Hey guys, how are y'all doing? This is day 3 of our boot camp. I hope you guys are doing well and not getting tired of the test so far. As I said earlier, yesterday and the day before, every day I'm going to share a tip with you guys to help you prepare for our EOGs that we will be taking later this year. You will be seeing these both in math and ELA as well. Now, so far I've said that, it's okay to be overwhelmed or stressed. You just need to get out of that environment and come back with a fresh brain. You can do this by either taking a deep breath or take a walk or, just close your eyes for a minute, relax, and start again. My second tip that I gave you guys yesterday was to read the whole question instead of making the best guess and moving forward. Now, today, I want to give you guys another tip, something that I often used when I did not know the answer to a question, even after I read the whole thing like 2 times or 3 times. Now, in particular, this is the test that you guys will be taking today, test prep that you will be taking today, but I want us to look at specifically question number 3. Now, you all already know law of conservation of mass, right? It means that basically no atoms or matter cannot be destroyed or created. And in equations, they're simply rearranged. Nothing new props up and nothing old is, just removed or destroyed. It's just rearranged into new things, right? So we are trying to understand, or we are trying to realize which numbers would go here in these 2 blanks to actually balance this equation. Now, what if I didn't know the answer? What do I do? One option that I want to give you guys is to actually use the options that you have to find out the answer. What I'm trying to say is I would use the numbers in each of the option and put them here and then see if, they're being balanced. Now, I have no idea how to balance it, right? So I'm going to use the options. So I'm going to use the option A, which is 1 and 2, which means 1 goes here and 2 goes here, right? Now, let's see. If 1 goes here, nothing changes here. Carbon is still 2 and hydrogen is still 2. Now let's see. If carbon is 2, do I still have 2 carbons on the right-hand side? I do. Seems balanced. Hydrogen is 4 on the left-hand side. What about here? 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So yeah, it's balanced. So I guess the first number is 1. Now let's look at this one for oxygen here. Now I put 2 from option A by oxygen. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, which means I should have 4 oxygen atoms on both sides. I do have 4 here, but what about here? 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, so I have 4 oxygen here, but I also have 2 more over here by water, which means in total I actually have 6 and not 4. Now, you did not get the right answer using option A, so I would move on to option B. Now, option B says 1 and 3. Again, I would put 1 here, 3 here. Now, 1, as stated earlier, we know is the right answer. We just need to figure out what would be the right number for oxygen, right? Now, if you put 3 here, we know that 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So we have 6 oxygen atoms on the left-hand side. Now, do we have 6 on the right-hand side as well? Let's see. We have 2 multiplied by 2, which means 4 here for this molecule, and 2 oxygen atoms on this molecule. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So we do indeed have 6 atoms of oxygen on the right-hand side as well, which means that now it's balanced. We have the equal number of atoms for each of these elements on the left-hand side and on the right-hand side. So again, my tip was to actually use the options that they gave you to find out the right answer. But one thing that I do want to let you guys know is that sometimes this can be time consuming. So if you don't know to solve it, don't wait on it. Okay, don't wait to do each of these options. Pause, move on, come back to it later when you feel like you have enough time and you will not, jeopardize the other questions or sacrifice the other questions for this one point. You can actually also use this for math. If you don't know how to solve a certain question, you can use the option, put the answer in, and see if the equation works out or if the formula works out. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, reach out to me and I will get back to you. Have a great day, guys. Bye.